Tell it up, you run from the man, from the real man.
Yeah, because no one did that.
Hey guys, well, Alicia here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a time of the year here in Jamaica where we celebrate history, culture, heritage, and that sort of stuff. And I thought about sharing something a little different with you today. It came to me that I should share some folklore. Went to my archive, pulled it down, dusted it off, and now I'm gonna share with you. It's actually an interview I did with Miss Bowen. According to her, she has seen River Mumma, Rolling Calf, and Duppy. Very interesting interview. I'm gonna share it with you now. Well, listen, I'm on a journey to showcase what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica. And I'd love for you to join in. How? Just subscribe to my channel. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, I invite you now to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. And that way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go across to her. Alicia Bowen, guys. Miss Bowen, how you do?
I'm okay.
All right. Now, I must tell you, I ran into Miss Bowen on my way from church today. Miss Bowen, we had a short discussion. And it got very intriguing because Miss Bowen started to talk to me about old-time Jamaica, but in particular, Jamaican folklore. So she has been telling me about some of the experience she had as a child growing up. And I said, you know what, I need to share this with you. So, Miss Bowen,
Yes.
tell me and my viewers, I'm gonna say start with one. We were talking about the rolling calf.
Yes.
Tell me about your experience with rolling calf.
Rolling calf. Sometimes there is a little something like dog. And but sometimes they go big. Them get big. And if you feel like a dog going and you go and trouble the dog, him rush you and take you away. Carry in the bush.
In the bush?
Carry in the bush, back in the bush. Because him have on, when them come in, you hear the chain, the rattle, the chain rattling. And when the chain rattling, now you have to run, go hide. Because you can't trouble them. If you trouble them, then can take you away. And then don't find you till when you finish out, then we search out the bush. Feed you on rotten wood.
Really?
And ripe banana.
And then
yes,
what?
And then after you turn full.
So let me ask you, this is real, Miss Bowen? Or
Yes.
have you seen rolling calf yourself?
Yes.
Where?
At where I was living in, coming through the road going in the bush.
Where is that? Which community is that?
In Mandora Drive, we call that place.
And this is where? In which community?
In Hopetown.
In which parish?
St. James.
St. James. And you've seen and experienced that yourself?
Yes.
And I don't know if you want to tell my viewers probably your age, so they probably have an idea of what we're talking about.
My age, I born 1942.
Okay, so you're
I'm 79-year-old now.
so you're almost 80 now. So
Yes.
what you're saying to me is not make up story.
No, it's not make up
It's real
story.
something you're talking.
It's real something.
You have
Them
seen
small like a dog. And if you go and you're going to say anything and trouble them, then start to grow.
And get big.
Yes. And when them get big now,
That's when they take you away.
that's the time they take you away.
So, oh man, alright. So I know about folklore, but I've never really. I thought it was just folklore, but you're saying this is real stuff.
Yes.
And you've seen it with your own two eyes.
So, yeah, brown, them brown, you know. Brown like cow calf.
So when them see you see them too? I mean, when you
Yes.
see them see you?
Yes. But you have to run from them.
So you can run as far. They run you down or them run from you too?
If them run under your foot, then take you away.
Oh.
So you have to, if you see them, you close your foot and you
Run.
That's it.
Ah boy. And this is real story we're talking about.
Real
Because
story. Rolling calf.
tell me about the experience you were talking about in the car. You mentioned another experience with what was it again?
Oh, when we going home, when my mother sent me to carry something go give a lady named Miss Fan. And when I was coming, I saw a woman in a pure white.
This is the same place in Hampton in St. James.
In
Rural St. James. Hopeton, yeah.
And when me reach up to him, we don't run because it was night. It was night. And when me run and they say, Miss Mary, wait for me now. Turn back in, turn on and look at me. And still they gone. And me still they say, Miss Mary, wait for me. He turn on and look at me again. And the last time...
So you see the person's face?
Yes.
Look.
We not see him turn him face, but you know what I see him face?
Oh.
But he in a pure white, you know. And when me call him again, he turn on and he look at me. And when me turn on and see him now and realize, me run. Me drop on my veranda. And my mother put a nutmeg in my mouth.
Oh, because it was what? So it's a Duppy?
Duppy.
So what did nutmeg do?
The Duppy?
What did nutmeg do?
The Duppy make it, then touch you, you know. Then you can't talk. But when you have got the nutmeg in your mouth now, you can't talk.
Oh yeah, so by the way guys, I have a video about nutmeg. That's another use of nutmeg. This is interesting. So what, okay. So
when you put the nutmeg in your mouth, it can't hurt you.
Oh, okay.
Can't hurt you.
Alright, so tell my viewers again about the other story about the you were talking, was it the River Mumma you were so you mentioned
the River Mumma in the spring.
You have a spring
up there?
We're going
to Anchor Spring.
Where?
We call it Anchor Spring in Hopeton.
A spring up at Hopeton?
Boy, them build it. But you have pipe. Pipe the road. Yeah, certain time of night, moonshine. When the river made them come out. And go on the top. That time we go for water in a March month. And when we go in there for water, we have to make sign.
What kind of sign?
We make clean with you.
Oh.
And make them see. When time they see, you know, then just dive in back. In the water.
So you never see any of them though, right?
Yes, up here saw them a body, down here saw fish.
You see them with the person?
Yes.
How are you see me?
4 of them live in the spring there.
Oh, but they didn't harm anybody?
No.
So those are duppies, do you think?
No.
They're not
natural.
No. Oh, so they disappear into the spring. But if it's natural body, how they disappear back into the spring?
Listen me. The spring running, it come in a rock.
Yeah.
But then come up on the trough. They call up this on the trough.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So when them come up now, then sit down kind of lap on the tail part of the fish. Then kind of turn this way. And we then turn out, but as them see you, then gone. Back in the water.
So let me ask you. So those are three of the most telling experience you've had about what do we want to say, Duppy or evil or whatever it is, right?
No, them are not evil. Them are the fish. They were living in the river.
Okay.
In the spring.
Okay. So what happened to those? What happened to those?
If you go put any black pot and dip up the water, the water going dry up. The water dry.
You can't use no black?
Can't use nothing in a pot. It was black. Not black.
Oh.
Because anyhow you go in there, the river made them gone.
True story?
Yeah.
Real experience?
Real experience.
You experienced that?
Yes.
This is not makeup just for the video.
Just.
You have seen and experienced this stuff here in Jamaica, in the rural part?
Yes.
Does people still see these? I mean, people still have these experiences, Miss Bowen?
Well, I don't know if these people, because some of the spring then dry up. So the people them go take blocks. Pot or anything black and thing, they then dry up.
So what about
that? Made gone somewhere else.
Like where so? Gone
to a different river.
Oh.
But then don't come out of there, you know.
All night?
At night.
Okay. So like when they say flat bridges have River Mumma in there, you believe them?
Yes.
Flat bridge in St. Catherine?
Yes.
Okay.
They know them.
You know a lot of people don't believe these things, right?
Yeah, but of them the flood, you know.
You believe so?
And the fish them the flood, you know.
Oh.
River made.
Okay.
And them the flood.
So What do you... sorry guys, I'm down in the background. So what happened to, right now, what would you say happened to the what you call them, the rolling calf and those things? What happened to those things?
Vehicle take them off the road.
What do you mean vehicle take them off the road?
Like, car where they drive. They're afraid of them, man.
They're afraid of them?
When car they drive, and them take them off the road. For this time, people couldn't walk on the road.
So what them they know?
We don't know in the far bush.
Oh, that's what you mean?
Far bush, they're gone in.
Oh, so they're still around?
Yeah,
you believe
they're
they're
still around.
Okay.
Yeah, but they're gone in the far bush.
Okay.
Then me and you can't see them.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. Okay. What do you say to people right now who is watching and say, foolishness you talk, man, not go so? What do you say to those people?
Well, them don't know because them who born in those times, those days, know about it.
And it's,
so these children, them now don't know nothing about it.
Don't know nothing about these things?
No.
Oh.
You have to sit down and tell them, you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, then you have to sit down and tell them. These children first time, you couldn't walk on the road like as you are.
Yeah.
Through the rolling car and the Duppy. Because some of them show up themselves, some of them show up themselves.
Oh.
Understand?
Yes.
And you're afraid.
Yes.
So you have to run.
You have to run?
Yeah.
And you run too?
Yes.
All right. Well, I'm gonna run now, but just before I run, I wanna ask you. Well, ask my viewers, guys. You've heard Miss Bowen's story. She said it's real story. What do you make of it? I would love to hear from her. Drop a comment down below. If you have questions for her, let me know. I'd be interested in that. But again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. All right. So that's your story. So that's your story, Miss Bowen, and you're sticking to it.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
It's been a pleasure, man. Thank you for sharing your story, your experiences, the history, the heritage, the culture, the folklore of Jamaica land we love.
Yes.
Peace and love.
Yes.
All right.
Me have one uncle. He used to walk late at night time. And when he reached one place then called Mount Vernon. Well, my grandfather just come up and say, you don't pass.
What do you mean your grandfather meaning?
My grandfather.
Who died?
Who died. Come hold out the hand to us since you don't pass. Turn back. Turn back.
How long ago was that?
Years.
Years ago.
How much?
You're a little girl.
Years.
So that's what your uncle tell you?
Yes, and when he run, and with all them in the holy and say, he say from that, he don't walk on road late at night again. Then his grandfather back him up.
So how he knows, so he said he was
He said, where you there going so late at night?
Same talk to him then?
Yeah.
You mean the people talk?
Yes.
Oh yeah, sir.
What you say?
But you never have the experience.
Yes, me go. My daddy they go milk cow. And then my father they go milk cow.
Same place?
Have an uncle, yes, dead. And when time my uncle dead. And he have a uncle dead.
Yeah.
And when him dead, daddy they go milk the cow. If you go see the person, the man, I uncle, you know.
Yeah.
I was with him, you know, my father.
Oh, really?
Yes. And hear him. Oh, yeah, ton, saw me the way you so long. And my father run him down with machete and pint lamp.
Really?
He chop him up.
So it was a late night?
3 o'clock.
So you were with your father? So you heard?
Yes.
You heard that too?
Yes. He said, yeah, ton, so long there. I made a real pint.
So what did you do, Miss Boy?
He run against me daddy because me afraid. He run against my father because me afraid. Me afraid and me hold on and he say, my daughter, that time a pint lamp they use, you know.
Pint lamp?
Pint lamp. And he give me the pint lamp, say me feel hold it now. I'm making the rundown the Duppy man to
so
chop it.
So I'm going to chop the Duppy?
You know get to chop it beside the road. He said the man, he got me.
So the Duppy run from the man, from the real man?
Yeah. Because I don't want dead again. You don't want dead again. My father,
your father is a serious man,
when he does get to go milk the cow at 4 o'clock. And that was it.
Oh, that was it. Oh my God.
Yes.
All right. Guys, all right. Thank you guys for watching. What do you make of this? I'd love to hear from you. Let me hear from you, please. Yes, I really want to hear from you. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you again to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest video. One more thing, I did a video on interesting Jamaican traditions. You need to see that. It's in the description and it's also in the card above. See you in that one.